Hello, this is our robot Ario moving from various teach points on our clipboard. We have the blue yarn representing the joint angles from link to link. And as you can see, we also have our coordinates printed on the robot. And we set our base there for maximum reachability, which the next clip will show the robot moving from different ends of the clipboard and being able to reach every point on the board. Moving on to our simulated robot, here we have MATLAB App Designer where we created our GUI. So when we run this, we're able to see the GUI and our simulated robot in the figure. And first we make sure that our data is read and our robot is created. We have our DH parameter table, which shows us the DH parameters that we use to create this robot. And then we have our X, Y, and Z position of the end effector. And if we move these sliders, which is moving the corresponding joint angles, we see that our robot is moving accordingly. Same with joint 2. And then we can use our keys on our keyboard using the up, down, and left and right keys to move the X and Y position of the end effector. Right and left moving the X and up and down moving the Y, which is the positions that we see in the requested, which should line up with the actual X and Y positions if everything's running smoothly. And then finally here we have this Optimus button, which runs our optimization function that gives us our optimal DH parameters. And these DH parameters are going to print here in the info box. And as we can see here, they match up pretty well with the DH table that we have here. For a little bit of the behind the scenes of the optimization function, we can look at that program here. And we can see that we started by initializing our DH parameters and teach points using our physical robot. We ran our optimization function, fmin search, using these inputs and outputting the optimal DH parameters and the final error. And for further visualization, we can look at these two graphs here where we are comparing the error, which is the sum of squared differences before and after DH parameter optimization. And we see that error decreases significantly. And here over the iterations, error is definitely reduced.